Alright, this is a review of my 1951 hercus metal lathe. Alright, so take you through it. Okay, there's the motor. That drives through a pulley, drives the camshaft. Drives the gear train. So I got 3 speeds, and then I got the 3 in back gears. To engage the back gears, you pull this lever, and then you pull out this pin here. I'm not going to do that because I can't reset it. Here's the gear train. So these are the change gears for changing the speed. So you can swap these over on this lathe to cut metric threads, because this is an imperial lathe. So you can cut metric threads on this lathe. Here's the nameplate, hercus. Yeah, Model A, serial number. Here's the Norton quick change gearbox, which enables you to cut feeds from 4 teeth per inch with a power feed of 0.853 inches to 224 teeth per inch with a power feed of 0.0015 inches. Here's the lead screw that drives the carriage here. So to engage your power feed, you've got this lever here, which has 3 positions. There's the first one. I'm in the second one. There's a third one. This position here, this is neutral, so there's no power feed at all. Now, when you put it into the bottom position, you can see that lever, that the cross slide is moving. That's the power cross slide. So you use that for threading, and then this top position here, that's power feed. Alright, here's your half nut lever. That's for threading. Thread chasing dial, also for threading. There's the lead screw again. Here's the bed. Alright, now here's the tailstock. This is locked with a spanner. And you can see here, this screw here, and that screw there. Those are the set over screws. So you'll set those are used for setting a tailstock either left or right, which is used when you're cutting tapers. Rightio. Well, I'm gonna take a cut now so you can see her in operation. Rightio. You can see, there you go, there's the finished cut. You could hear the belt sleeping a bit at the end. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. I think the belt's just a bit slack. But, yeah, here's my 1951 hercus Model A flat belt drive metal lathe.